Insect Science in Tzaneen delivers effective pest control for the commercial agricultural sector. They work closely with farmers to develop sustainable pest control solutions. The business consists of three parts that work together as one: scientific research and development, product manufacturing, and product application and training. They specialize in developing pest control that targets specific insect species and thus avoids harming beneficial insects. Their products form part of an integrated approach to plant health to keep nature in balance, as well as equip farmers with responsible solutions that have a smaller impact on the environment, workers, and consumers. This way, they take everybody's health into account. Insect Science doesn't just distribute products. They're the only company in Africa that does research, development, and manufacturing of their own pheromone products. Farmers get innovative solutions that make them less dependent on conventional spraying programs or insecticides.